Have your legs stopped feeling like yours? Does a short walk leave you tired, like your body slowly slipping away? If you're over 60, I want you to know, it's not the end. You haven't lost it. Your strength is still inside you, waiting to return. And today, I'm gonna show you how just 3 simple teas, yes, teas, can help rebuild your muscle, reduce pain, and help you walk strong again. Backed by science, rooted in tradition, and made for people just like you. Stay with me. This might be the beginning of something powerful. And if this already speaks to your heart, take a second and tap that like button. It helps more people like you find this message. And if you're new here, welcome to the Wisdom Aurora. Go ahead and subscribe for more heartfelt health wisdom made just for you. Now, let's talk about what really happens to our legs as we get older. Most people think it's just aging, that weak legs and fatigue are just part of getting older. But that's only half the truth. What really chips away at our strength over time is something we often can't see: chronic inflammation, poor blood circulation, and constant silent stress on the body. And unless we support our body in the right way, that stress never lets up. But here's the good news. Nature has given us powerful allies, not in the form of pills or complicated workouts, but in something as gentle and healing as a warm cup of tea. Let me introduce you to the first one: ginger turmeric tea, the warrior blend. This tea doesn't just taste warm and comforting, it fights for you. Ginger and turmeric are ancient roots used for generations in places like India to keep the body flexible and resilient. Together, they reduce inflammation, ease joint pain, and improve blood flow. Think of your legs like little engines. They need oxygen to stay strong. And when your circulation is poor, your muscles suffer. A cup of this tea each morning, made with fresh ginger slices, ground turmeric, hot water, and just a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption, can help your legs feel lighter, stronger, more alive. Even NBA athletes like Stephen Curry use turmeric for recovery. So imagine what it can do gently over time for your joints and muscles. If you've ever tried turmeric or ginger tea, or if you're curious to start, drop a comment below. I'd love to know. Your experience could help someone else. Now let's talk about the second tea, ginseng green tea, the inner spark. Some days, it's not just the legs that feel heavy. It's the mind. You want to move, but the motivation just isn't there. That's where ginseng and green tea come in. Ginseng is an ancient root used to fight fatigue and restore stamina. It helps your muscles use oxygen more efficiently and gives you energy without overstimulation. Green tea, rich in antioxidants and theanine, gives you a calm alertness, not like coffee jitters, but a gentle lift. Together, these 2 ingredients awaken both body and brain. You feel more focused, more motivated, and that inner drive helps you move more, walk more, naturally rebuilding your strength. Just steep a green tea bag, add a few thin slices of ginseng root or a small pinch of dried powder, and sip it slowly in the morning. It's gentle, and it works. People over 70, like actor Jackie Chan, have credited ginseng tea as part of staying physically strong and active into their older years. This isn't a gimmick. It's a tradition that works. And now it's your turn to try it. And now, the third and perhaps most important tea, ashwagandha root tea, the deep healer. This one goes beyond your muscles. It heals your stress, your sleep, your internal balance. Ashwagandha is what we call an adaptogen. It helps the body recover from stress and rebuild from the inside out. As we age, our cortisol, the stress hormone, often stays elevated. And when cortisol is high, muscle breaks down, energy crashes, and sleep becomes broken. Ashwagandha lowers that cortisol. It calms the nervous system and signals the body to rest, heal, and restore. It even strengthens neuromuscular connections, helping you feel more steady on your feet, less shaky, more in control. Steep a teaspoon of dried root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add cinnamon or honey if you prefer a smoother taste. Many drink it before bed and report better sleep, better mornings, and better movement as a result. If sleep has been a challenge for you or stress has been weighing you down, ashwagandha could become a peaceful ritual that supports both your muscles and your mind. And here's a small secret most people miss. A single pinch of black pepper added to your turmeric tea can improve curcumin absorption by over 2,000%. And if you want to amplify circulation and flavor in your ashwagandha tea, try adding a little cinnamon. These small touches make a big difference. Let's imagine this together. You wake up tomorrow morning. Instead of rushing into the day, you take 5 minutes.